Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to just have a weekend vlog. Spend the weekend with me today, and it's going to be a silent vlog. So this is me heading to church. This was about 6:20. I am a Catholic. I came in for the first service, and yeah, so here is church, and the church started, and yeah, church ended around 8 o'clock. And here is my OOTD for the Sunday. This is what I wore, this beautiful blue dress, making me look like big mommy. So yeah, and after that we went to just get some shawarma because we were hungry. And yeah, we had our shawarma, which was made in church. We had the sausage, the chicken, the veggies as well, but it was basically cabbages that we used. And guys, this shawarma was yummy, so yummy. And I was actually wishing I had gotten two. So yeah, this is how he made the shawarma, and he toasted it for us, he wrapped it, and gave us our shawarma. After that, yeah, here is me almost eating all the whole shawarma, just because I enjoyed how the shawarma tasted. It was so delicious. So this is what the shawarma looks like. I'm almost done eating one. So after that, we went to the supermarket to get some stuff. We went to Spa. We went shopping and shopped for some home items for a while before we then continued our trip. So come with me, let's have fun on this vlog. Items, and then we prepared to go to our next location, which is to have fun. This is me packing the items that have been paid for into the stroller, and also taking it to the car. Yeah. So guys, we're done shopping, so I just we headed home, and I was hungry, wanted breakfast, so I just quickly made a sweet potato chips. This is me slicing my chips into slices. I sliced it, and then I washed it, and after that I fried it and made some hot cup of chocolate to take with it. And after that, yeah, I was good for the morning until afternoon sharp. just fried this now, and this is how golden brown it was. And then I made my cup of hot chocolate with my Milo and my milk, a little bit of milk. I'm not so much of a fan of milk, but yeah, I just added a little bit of milk, and yeah, my hot chocolate was ready. Added my water and my hot water anyway, and my hot chocolate was ready.